why you should invest here in Paseo Verde at Real. Paseo Verde at Real offers highly prime location. This is 5 minutes away to Coastal Road along C5 extension, and this is front of LRT1 extension. Also, Paseo Verde at Real is less than 10 minutes drive to casinos like City of Dreams, Soler, and this is actually near in Naiya. And this is very accessible to SM Sukat, Alabang, Pasay, Makati, and Taguig Business District. So ito na nga guys, 20,000 lang ang reservation dito, may unit ka na, and kung prepare mo or choose mo lumipat agad, 2.5% lang move-in ka na. Maganda pa rito, applicable siya through Pag-ibig Financing na si developer na ang magpa-process ng loan application mo para less hassle sa'yo. Oo nga pala, Paseo Verde at Real is complete amenities and ready for Airbnb and rental business na rin. To learn more about Paseo Verde at Real, you can send me message to the phone number below para ma-assist kita.